Good morning, student. Hope all of you are fine. So, we will continue yesterday's lecture. Today, we will do acid rain. All of you are aware of this thing. The rainwater is the purest form of water. But as the population is increasing, pollution is increasing, there are many harmful gases are present in Earth's atmosphere like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide and many more. When these gases like carbon dioxide, smoke, nitrogen dioxide released in atmosphere and come in contact with water vapor present there in the Earth's atmosphere, that result in the formation of acids like this. This is sulfur dioxide gas. When it react with water, it form sulfuric acid H2SO4. When carbon dioxide react with water, you can say rain, it make carbonic acid. Okay, when nitrogen dioxide react with water, it form nitric acid. So that rain is called acidic rain. When these acids fall down with rain, make the rain acidic. This type of rain is known as acidic rain. And what are the harmful effect of acid rain? Statues and structures that made from marbles and limestone get slowly corroded. Corroded means kharab hona. When the rainwater containing these type of acid like sulfuric acid, carbonic acid, nitric acids dissolve the marbles to form a salt, means वो marble के साथ react कर देते हैं and that convert the marble to a salt, and this leads to a discoloring of white marble. Like जो Taj Mahal है, that is the monument, and that the color of Taj Mahal is white. But when the acid rain fall on the Taj Mahal, okay, the acids present in that rain will dissolve the marble of Taj Mahal and leads to discoloration of the color of that marble. Means जो white color का ताज महल है वो येलो में कन्वर्ट होना स्टार्ट हो गया. अब आपने देखा होगा कि कोई आगरा जाता है तो वहाँ पे दूर दूर तक वो जो ऑटोज हैं या कोई बसेस हैं बहुत दूर पार्क की जाती हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज so that there should not be any type of pollution nearby Taj Mahal. If there was a pollution nearby Taj Mahal, acid rain will fall on Taj Mahal and color of Taj Mahal will change. And this phenomena is known as marble cancer. And articles made of metals like silver, gold, ornaments slowly lose their luster if they affected by acid rain. Tomorrow, or you can say on the next Thursday, I will show what are the effect of acid rain on a leaf. Acid rain also washes away the essential mineral from the soil. Means the minerals that are present in the soil like sodium, you can say nitrogen, you can say potassium are washes away by this acid rain. And acid rain also affect on the aquatic life, like on the life of fishes, on the aquatic plants, because in the acid rain acid is present, so that can leads to a death of aquatic animals. बिकॉज जब एसिड पानी के अंदर जाएगा इन द रिवर्स और लेक्स के, तो जब फिशेस उनको पिएंगी या ऑक्सीजन उनमें से जब वो ट्राई करेंगे लेने की, तो एसिड विल गोज इनटू देयर बॉडी एंड दैट लीड्स टू अ डेथ ऑफ एक्वेटिक लाइफ. सो यू कैन से एसिड रेन इज harmful for both plants and animal life. The next concept is greenhouse effect. What is the greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect मतलब there the sun rays warm our earth's surface, but there are some gases present like carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbons. These gases have special property because when the sun rays falls on them, or you can say when the sun rays falls on the earth's surface, these gases absorbed the warmness of that rays. Means these gases have capacity to trap the heat radiation that are reflected from the earth. देखो सन की रेज, दिस इज अर्थ, सन की रेज अर्थ के ऊपर आ रही, जब वे रिफ्लेक्ट बैक होके जाती हैं, ठीक है, तो ये गैसेस जैसे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, मीथेन है, कोई भी गैसेस है, ये इन रेज को क्या कर लेती हैं, ट्रैप कर लेती हैं, अब्सॉर्ब कर लेती हैं, एंड दैट लीड्स टू द राइज इन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ अर्थ. ओके, एंड the warming effect is known as greenhouse effect, and these gases, carbon dioxide, methane, water vapors, are known as greenhouse gases. Why these are greenhouse gases? Because they trap the heat radiation that reflected from earth. वो सन की जो रेज हैं, जब वो धरती से रिफ्लेक्ट बैक होके जाती है, तो उनको अब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं, एंड इससे क्या होता है, जो अर्थ का टेम्परेचर है वो राइजन अप हो जाता है, इंक्रीज हो जाता है. ठीक है, दैट्स वाई द नेम ऑफ ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट इज गिवन टू दिस फिनोमिना बिकॉज इट इज सिमिलर टू कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग इफेक्ट इन ग्रीन हाउस. ग्रीन हाउस यू हैव टू डू इट बाय योर सेल्फ. ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन देर इज नो पोल्यूशन. Okay, now you can see this is mid-May and not that much hotness or you can say warmness is there. नहीं तो इस टाइम में क्या होता था, एसी चलते थे सुबह शाम, but this time the temperature of earth is not that high as comparison to our previous years because pollution कम है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मीथेन, क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन गैसेस एटमॉस्फेयर में नहीं है. तो दिस लॉकडाउन हैज अ पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट ऑन आवर अर्थ्स एटमॉस्फेयर. अभी इस टाइम इतना कुछ ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर राइज नहीं हुआ है. देन व्हाट आर द कॉजेस इन द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ग्रीन हाउस इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. मतलब ये ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में कैसे इंक्रीज होती हैं, कैसे आती हैं. Number 1, coal and wood. When you burn these fuels, that release carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay, and thermal power plants. जो बठिंडा में थर्मल प्लांट्स हैं, कोल बर्न करते हैं वहाँ पे, ठीक है. बर्निंग ऑफ कोल टू जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. When you burn the coal, that release a lot of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide gases in the atmosphere. Okay, and then unnecessary cutting of a forest leads to the imbalance in the concentration of carbon dioxide. Imbalance of carbon dioxide means the plants give us oxygen and take in carbon dioxide. If you cut down the plants, then who will absorb the carbon dioxide? The amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere will increase. So the temperature of earth will also increase, and the number of vehicles are increasing day by day on the roads, and these vehicles release many harmful gases, okay, like carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and that leads to a global warming, or you can warmness on earth's surface. The next is consequences of greenhouse effect. Consequences means इसका क्या effect हो सकता है? Consequences means effect. What are the effect of greenhouse? Number one, global warming. Everybody know about the global warming. When the average temperature of Earth's atmosphere increase, that is known as global warming. In the ancient time, there were no ACs, क्योंकि तब जो अर्थ का टेम्परेचर था दैट वॉज वेरी लेस ड्यूरिंग समर ऑल्सो. बट नाउ एज द पॉपुलेशन इज इंक्रीजिंग, एज दे आर यूजिंग मोर फॉसिल फ्यूल्स, more vehicles, the number of harmful gases are increasing in Earth's atmosphere, and that leads to the increase in the temperature of Earth, and that phenomena is known as global warming. Now we will discuss what are the effects of this global warming. We will discuss the consequences of global warming in the next lecture. Hope you have understood this. Have a nice day.